Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Claude account to your Indeed job search account. So first you're going to want to sign into Claude, and then we're going to have to open up the connectors tab. To find the connectors, look at the left hand side of your screen and it should be underneath the option called customize. So go ahead and click that. Click on connectors, and then here you're going to be able to see what connectors you currently have activated. So as you can see right now, I already have Indeed open. If you don't see it in this list, simply click on the plus button to add a connector.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
And then click on browse connectors. So here you're going to be able to see all the connectors that you might want to add. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Indeed. And here you're going to see a plus button, and it's going to ask you to sign in to your Indeed account. So what does that accomplish? Well, it lets you integrate information from Indeed into your prompts in Claude. So let's say, for example, you want to get a list of the most relevant jobs. So find the most relevant. So this will automatically pull your resume from Indeed and then get the most relevant jobs that fit the criteria you set. So right now I just have a pretty general and vague criteria, just saying the most relevant jobs based on my resume, but you can also tailor this to stuff like work from home or maybe a particular location, etc., etc. So let's go ahead and give this a go. And let's see what Claude's response is. So a good thing to note is that if Claude decides it doesn't have enough information, it will definitely ask for your input. So here's the finished response. So as you can see, it automatically pulled my resume from Indeed, as well as gave me two of the most relevant jobs related to my resume. You can also extend the functionality of Claude to also draft tailored cover letters or applications, which is a really big plus. So this helps you streamline your job application process by a lot, and you'll be able to get through a lot of job applications with minimal effort. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.